screen where you were just talking about
it was a question from Solid Stream. Thoughts on paper filters in the portafilter?
Yeah, so if you pop that, you're going to have to cut it because it doesn't fit properly in there, but essentially you'd pop it on the bottom. If you put it on the bottom, when you extract, you're going to catch a lot of the oils into this paper filter. So that's what paper does. It holds back the intensity. So, yeah, we can do that, but you've got to trim it down. So I need the scissors.
Look who it is.
Hey?
Who it is.
This guy's going to pour out latte art for us. Look at him. He's just going to come straight in as a customer and pour out a beautiful coffee. Hello.
Hey, look.
Hi. Having fun hanging out with Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More or less.
Yep.
No choice.
It's no choice. All right, so just going to trim it down in size.
About 9-10 months now. Covered it a few times, but you're always up in the office.
Quite enough there, mate.
I've seen all these, all the filming from the end of financial year. Specials, Luke Jug thing.
You know, everyone's commenting on that. So many people are saying, "Oh, I love your ads." Yeah, it's they've obviously worked. They've definitely allowed people to see me be stupid. Okay, so we've got it in there.
Yeah, it's working.
They're working.
They're working.
They're working. Actually, one of the ads got like 60,000 links, like clicks or something, but didn't work as well as we'd hoped in terms of sales. Went to the wrong page, but that's learning. So paper filter in, 22.5 grams of coffee. No, we're live. It's fine. Live on YouTube, doesn't matter. Yeah, we just keep going with the flow. So we're going to distribute that and do the exact same. So let's see. Hey, Ben. Roaster Ben. Come here, please. I need your palate. We won't tell Ben what we've done and see if he can pick differences. All right, got a test for you. Just 2 different handles.
I'll just clip this on you there, Ben, so you can hear what you have to say.
All right, so this is the second one. This is the first one.
First left, second right. A lot to remember.
We'll do double splits just to be really fair and even with this.
Oh. Is there supposed to be some difference?
We'll see. Let's see. Let's see if we can taste the difference.
Tingly with anticipation.
Visually, there looks to be a little bit of a difference. Go in there close and have a look at the left side versus the right side.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah. Big difference.
All right, so there's a lot more caramelization happening on these ones. So this is your right side, right hand, left hand. That's my right hand, left hand. You can see the differences there. They're matching sets, but all right, let's see if you can taste the differences between them. I'm going to go this one here first.
I'll come around this one.
Who's responsible for that?
They're blindfolded paws. Chloe won. 2 in a row. Yeah, right. Yeah, okay. Thoughts?
Both fairly dry.
Yep.
This one's got, a little more balance, I guess.
The one on the right?
Still a bit rough.
Yep.
Like a bit of sweetness, but pretty dry as well. This one's feels like it's it's a bit softer. Now it's cooled. A bit more acidity, but a little harsh with the acidity.
Yeah, acidity's jumped right up, isn't it? A lot up.
Not as balanced. This is balanced, but it's still a lot of body.
Heavy and thick and body. Yep. Well, that's probably what I expect. The left one has the paper filter under the coffee puck.
Ah,
catch all the oils.
right. As in the like one of the brewer or the
Yeah, just an AeroPress paper filter.
AeroPress.
Yeah, one of the online people wanted us to test, but yeah, you can
But it's
definitely
the same
taste-
coffee,
Same coffee.
and it poured in the same.
Just
Pretty much dropped at the same time. Too.
times poured the same, but you can see the paleness of the one that had the paper filter. It definitely held back a lot of that oils, and you can see the viscosity of this is thicker. And you said harsh or strong, which it is. There's a lot more oils in this cup, where the one on the left was more pale, cleaner.
I think
Bit of
if you
acidity
dialed this
up.
in, what coffee was it?
Just champ, just normal blend, just no change.
I think you could make that work with a bit more dial in. If you wanted to tame some, like a super rough coffee.
Yeah. So if you want to do, if you've got like a single origin and you're thinking, hey, I want to try and get it towards a